along with goods or equipment. Thanks to its large space and capacity, heavy and bulky military vehicles set in Galaxy, it's a strategic means of transportation, indispensable to the U.S. military. Allow them to deploy quickly and efficiently forces and equipment to any location in the world. It's a bit strange. Price per Car 5 Galaxy, at the time of initial production, it's about $100 million. However, after going through the upgrade program and modernize, actual cost of a Super Galaxy 5 car has increased significantly. CM and Super Galaxy Modernization Program example. The latest version of C-Year has increased the value of each one significantly, up to $150 million or more, depending on the specific configurations and requirements. A reference figure of $117 million. It's weird that it's only half that. The price of motor transport is less than C-17. The U.S. sells to other countries. That's $340 million. About aerial refueling capability. C-141 Super Galaxy. This plane is capable of aerial refueling, allow it to extend its range, and carry out longer strategic transport missions without having to land to refuel in the middle of the road. In theory, it can fly around the Earth, not afraid of running out of fuel. This ability is very important in tasks, long flight time required, and there's no chance to refuel at the airports. What is the current number of U.S. C-class aircraft carriers? Up to the present time, the U.S. Air Force has about 52 cars a year, Galaxy and payroll, including car versions Year, Car B, and especially the most modern 5M Super Galaxy. Most of these planes has been upgraded to the CMM version with engine improvements, about electronic systems, and the ability to operate to extend the service served in the U.S. Air Force. Another interesting question. That's how the U.S. military still needs C-Years even though it already has C-17, C-17 Globemaster III, and C-5 Galaxy. They're all U.S. Air Force strategic transports, but they serve different purposes, and there are distinct characteristics. The first is the giant left. The Galaxy is capable of carrying cargo. It's almost twice as big as C-17. C-Year can transport up to 129 t. The C-17 Globemaster III is only 77 t. This makes C-Years impossible to replace when it comes to transporting large military equipment or multiple cargo on the same flight. The second is longer range. With maximum load C, it can fly farther than C-17. This is very important in strategic transport missions, where goods need to be moved to remote locations without refueling many times. The third is the special transportation capacity C. Year can transport military equipment that C-17 cannot be as large components of aircraft, helicopters, or even satellites. In addition, there's an opening on both ends and annealing mechanism has made C-Years easier to unload goods, especially on non-standard runways. The fourth is the ability to operate in different environments. Although C-17 capable of taking off and landing on short runways and not well equipped, C-Years is still needed for the required tasks, large volume of cargo, and landing on standard runways. Those 67 square kilometers It's an extremely flexible and modern transport aircraft. But C-5 Galaxy, it's still an important part in the U.S. Air Force transport. Thanks to the ability to transport huge volume of goods and long range, both of these planes work together to make sure the U.S. military can respond all strategic transportation needs around the globe. With incredible possibilities, Carrier Galaxy, it's a symbol of strength and American military aviation technology. This is an airplane that's not just huge in size, but also great. The strategic role in protecting and maintain America's global military power. Don't forget to like and subscribe so as not to miss other fascinating videos from us. Hello and see you in the next video.